All right, so you've probably learned long division here. This is my last video on long division. Now we're going to talk about synthetic division, which is much, much easier. Synthetic division, though, only works if your divisor is in the form x minus a. It can't be x squared minus a. It can't be 2x minus a. It has to be x minus a. So here we have 5x cubed plus 6x plus 8 divided by x plus 2. That's your divisor. This is in the form x minus a. In this case, it's x minus a negative 2, so a is a negative 2. So x plus 2 is x minus a negative 2. That's in the correct form. So for synthetic division, all you do is take a, in this case, negative 2. Now, a lot of people just think, well, it's the opposite of plus 2, which is okay, but that's not what's really going on here. It's because the form is x minus a. And the dividend, you just write all the coefficients. Now, with long division, you may have learned to plug in, use a 0 where you didn't have an x to a power. Um, that was always optional, though. In synthetic division, it is not. You need to account for all the x's. So since we're starting with x cubed, the next term would be x squared. If there is no x squared term, you have to fill it in with a 0. So now we're on 6x to the first, and 8 is the constant. Make sure the number of digits here, 1, 2, 3, 4, is 1 greater than the degree, and you'll be okay. So here's how synthetic division works. You always bring down this first number all the way to the bottom here. So, and then you multiply this by the number in this little box. So negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Write the number up here and add. And then you repeat. So this is just, you do this a couple times and it's very simple and you'll get the hang of it. So you always start by bringing down this first number, multiply it by this number. So negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Fill in this little space and add. So 0 plus negative 10 is negative 10. That's it. Whenever you get a number down here, you just repeat the process. So multiply negative 2 times negative 10, positive 20, write it up here, and add. And just keep doing that. So negative 2 times negative 26 is negative 52. Add, that's a negative 40. 40. I'm drawing a blank here. 44. So the answer, the quotient and remainder, this is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is going to be a very important part of synthetic division, the remainder. So the quotient is 5. Now we have to fill in the x's. The x, with synthetic division, it's always reduced to a degree. So if you started out with x cubed, it would be x squared. And then just proceed downwards. So minus 10x to the first, plus 26 is the constant. Your remainder is negative 44. So I'll just go plus a negative 44 over the divisor, which was x plus 2. And that is how you do synthetic division. It's very simple.